Good afternoon, Mister, and good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Niputu Santina. My absent number is 6. Now I will start the presentation. The first presentation is the result of questionnaire about dessert. I create this questionnaire to survey what kind of dessert that most people like and help me in creating a dessert business brand that I will create later. This questionnaire I create in form of Google Form which was shared through social media such as WhatsApp and Instagram. There are 170 respondents who participated in filling out this questionnaire. The result of questionnaire about dessert, I conclude with diagram. Now I'd like to turn to the diagram. Preferred food. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who choose which food they prefer, there are 40% who prefer spicy food, there are 28.2% who prefer tasty food, there are 30% who prefer sweet food, and then there are 1.8% who prefer sour food. So there are many people who prefer spicy and sweet food. Next. Dessert. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who like dessert, there are 96.5%, while there are 3.5% who don't like dessert. So there are many people like dessert. Next. Type of dessert. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who choose what kind of dessert that most people like, there are 6.5% who like pudding, there are 57.5% 57.1% who like ice cream, there are 25.9% who like cake, and then there are 0.6% who like choco ball. So there are many people who like type of dessert such as ice cream. The texture of dessert. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who choose what texture they prefer in dessert, there are 12.4% who like chewy texture, there are 36.5% who like soft texture, there are 8.8% who like crunchy texture, and then there are 42.4% who like melted texture. So there are many people who prefer melted texture. Next, the favorite taste of dessert. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who choose what their favorite dessert taste is, there are 32.9% of their favorite taste is vanilla, there are 7.6% of their favorite taste is coffee, there are 10.6% of their favorite taste is berries, and then there are 48.8% of their favorite taste is chocolate. So the most favorite taste of dessert is chocolate. Next. The price of dessert. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who choose the price of dessert they will buy, there are 63.5% who choose the price of 10,000 rupiah until 20,000 rupiah. There are 29.4% who choose the price of 20,000 rupiah until 30,000 rupiah. There are 5.3% who choose the price of 30,000 rupiah until 40,000 rupiah, and then there are 1.8% who choose the price more than 40,000 rupiah. Next. The ordered food. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who choose how to order food they prefer, there are 25.3% who choose the delivery to their house. There are 55.9% who choose dine-in. There are 16.5% who choose take-away, and then there are 2.4% who choose drive-thru. So there are many people who choose how to order food by dine-in. Next, the packaging of dessert. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who choose what kind of dessert packaging they like, there are 1.8% who like plastic packaging, there are 6.5% who like pocket packaging, there are 34.7% who like cup packaging, and then there are 57.1% who like box packaging. So there are many people who like dessert packaging by using box. Next. The innovation of dessert. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents who choose what kind of innovation they want in dessert, there are 6.5% who choose traditional innovation, there are 19.4% who choose modern innovation, and then there are 74.1% who choose mixed innovation. So a lot of people want to innovation mix between traditional and modern in dessert. Next, the dessert made of sweet potato. We can see on the diagram that from 170 respondents, there are 48.2% who are interested in the dessert made of sweet potato. There are 4.1% who are not interested in the dessert made of sweet potato. There are 11.8% who are indifferent if the dessert made of sweet potato. And then there are 35.9% who are want to try if the dessert made of sweet potato. So there are many people who are feels interesting if the dessert made of sweet potato. Next. Next conclusion. Therefore, it can be concluded that based on that data, I plan to create a business in food sector, namely dessert, with the brand is Happy Dessert. And then I plan to open a dessert cafe with an Instagrammable design so that the customer feels interesting in visiting the cafe. In the cafe, I plan to sell a variety of delicious and sweet dessert, with the main menu is a sweet potato dessert bowl, which contains ice cream made of purple sweet potato, a pudding made of purple sweet potato, a sweet potato bowl with chocolate inside, a grated coconut, and those with chocolate sauce. So everyone, do you want to try a sweet potato dessert bowl? Yes. If you want to try it, just come to my cafe. So that's all the presentation about the result of data analysis about dessert. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day everyone.